The five strands of Hindu religious tradition. Across the vast sweep of Indian religious history, the Hindu tradition emerges as a richly interwoven tapestry of elements that collectively shape its identity. These elements, doctrine, practice, society, story, and devotion, function like tensile strands in an elaborate braid. Each strand carries its own history of conversation, elaboration, and challenge, creating a tradition marked by dynamic tensions rather than rigid uniformity. 1. Doctrine. The foundation of Hinduism lies in its doctrinal strand, rooted in the Vedas, the oldest sacred texts of the tradition. These texts, primarily preserved and elaborated by the Brahmin class, grapple with profound philosophical tensions. Central among these is the relationship between the divine and the world. Is the divine immanent, transcendent, or both? Another enduring tension lies between dharma, the ethical and societal order that sustains the world, and moksha, the liberation from this inherently flawed existence. Finally, the doctrine navigates the individual's destiny shaped by karma and their interconnectedness with family, society, and divinities. These tensions reflect the richness of Hindu philosophy, encouraging diverse interpretations rather than definitive resolutions. 2. Practice. For many Hindus, religious practice holds primacy, reflecting a shared grammar of ritual behavior that transcends India's diversity. Central to this strand is puja, the worship of deities through offerings and rituals, often culminating in the distribution of prasada, sanctified food believed to embody divine grace. This practice reinforces a sense of human dependence on divine generosity, uniting worshippers in shared acts of devotion. Yet, a tension emerges. While puja emphasizes equality before the divine, its associated rituals have sometimes been used to uphold societal hierarchies. 3. Society. The third strand, society, is deeply intertwined with Hindu religious thought. The caste system, a defining feature of Indian social organization, reflects a pluralistic view of truth and reality. Early texts like the Rigveda describe a cosmic origin of the social order, dividing humanity into four ideal classes of Varnas, Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and Shudras. Over time, this vision evolved into thousands of jatis, birth groups, creating a stratified but pluralistic society. However, this pluralism often fosters tension. While Hinduism espouses tolerance in doctrine, the rigidities of caste can legitimize privilege and prejudice, challenging ideals of universal equality. 4. Story. Narratives play a unifying role in Hinduism, weaving a shared cultural fabric through tales of divine play and human-divine interaction. Stories of deities such as Krishna, Rama, Shiva, and the great goddess resonate across regions, languages, and social strata. These narratives often depict the interplay between duty and love, chaos and order, or divine and human realms. Yet, they also highlight tensions within Hindu society. For instance, the Ramayana is celebrated as a tale of Rama's righteousness, but alternative renditions emphasize Sita's suffering. Similarly, lower caste retellings of epics like the Mahabharata offer perspectives that challenge upper caste narratives, enriching the tradition while questioning its hierarchies. 5. Devotion. The fifth strand, bhakti, devotion, embodies a deep emotional connection to a loving God. Bhakti transcends social divisions, with vernacular poet saints from diverse backgrounds expressing their faith through passionate poetry. Emerging first in Tamil-speaking regions, this tradition spread across India, influencing countless languages and cultures. Bhakti challenges rigid practices and caste distinctions, emphasizing personal faith over institutionalized religion. However, It also showcases diversity within its ranks. While some expressions of bhakti embrace inclusivity, others sharply criticize established norms like image worship and ritual performance. Conclusion. Together, these five strands doctrine, practice, society, story, and devotion create a complex, living tradition that is Hinduism. Each strand contributes uniquely to the whole, embodying tensions and complementarities that sustain the religion's dynamism. This interplay of elements ensures that Hinduism remains both deeply rooted in history and ever responsive to change, offering a spiritual path that is as varied as the lives of its adherents.